Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Poco C50 smartphone. This is helpful for those who forgot their password. As you can see, wrong pin. Okay, you can see, try again in 28 seconds. Okay, to do hard reset, first power off your smartphone. Tap on power off. Okay, now it is successful power off. Now press and hold the volume up and power key together for a few seconds like this. Press and hold it. Now release. Again press the volume up and power key together like this, and it will send you in Android recovery mode. You can see now volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm. So here go to wipe data factory reset. Here go to wipe data factory reset and confirm, and you can see factory data reset. Just go to here, you can see wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. You can see wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. So here go to factory data reset and confirm. So you can see wiping data. Okay, data wipe complete. Now reboot system now. And guys, after hard reset it might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset, when it asks for password, tap on skip and use previously logged in Google account to unlock your phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Poco C50 smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query latest video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.